Here's a fish. Here we go, guys. I hooked up with something nice. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Kit. And I think this is gonna be a first of multiple videos. At least that's my plan. I don't know how the fishing will exactly play out, but I am not in Iowa. I am southwest of Iowa. Took a little fishing trip with Bo, Lindsay, a few other friends, meeting up a few other friends from Colorado, and we're gonna try to catch some big fish. So the lake we're at, it's got some pretty big white bass, big channel cans, but there's a couple of species here that we don't have the opportunity to catch back home. Those are gonna be stripers and blue cats. Not huge numbers of either of those fish, but a few of our buddies have caught a few stripers already. Nobody's really caught blue cats, but I don't know. I think me and Bo are the only ones that really catfish. But anyway, I'm gonna get some baits out. We're gonna use cut crappie for now. And then I gotta restring one of my jigging rods. So yeah, hopefully this is a good trip and hopefully we catch a lot of fish. All right, let's go try on this little jetty over here. Huh, everything looks so new. I don't remember all this stuff. Oh, okay. I have the wind to my back over here. Ooh, something just swam off. Whoa, is that a smallie? Looked like a smallie. Come on. There's gotta be some fish out here, right? Man, it is too windy over here. Ooh, there's a fish. Hey, little crappie. Dang. First bite of the trip. I lost him. Oh, Bo hooked up. Dang, lucky. Looks like Bo caught a smallie. Man, this rock is not comfortable to stand on. Yeah. There's a fish. Hey. Little crappie. I don't think he's 10 inches. Ooh, he's got a bunch of worms. Come on. See ya. Hey, little crappie. We'll take it. Can't cast because it's windy. Surprised I couldn't even feel that bite. There's a fish. Hey, another little crappie. These guys are still dark. Whew. Not big enough. Gotta be 10 inches here. Come on. That was pretty close. No white bass though. Maybe we probably gotta move. There's a fish. Little crappie again. Too small. Another little crappie. They're like all around this point. There's one. Hey, oh, that's a bigger one. Ooh. There, this guy might be a keeper. Should we keep this guy? Let me see. They gotta be 10 inches here.
Crappie?
Yeah. Oh yeah, he's 11. Easy. Man, I don't have a stringer though.
We got one in the Jeep.
Yeah.
Is it 10?
Yeah, it's 11. Cool, 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 cool. You guys got a stringer?
Yeah.
Oh,
We got 2.
thanks. All right, we're gonna keep this guy. Man, looks like they're still on the beds. Interesting. Cool, cool, cool. No skunks. I don't even know why I need my backpack on. All right. Show you guys what I'm using here. Got a little lightweight certified swimmer. Margarita color. Just throwing crappie stuff. Come on. I should try throwing a swim bait though. Come on. Let's sink a little bit further. And I see a guard jumping out there. Man, it's so hard to tell when you get a bite. There's a fish. Probably not big enough. Probably not big enough though. Yeah. I mean, he might be.
Close. I got a tape in my back.
I got one in mine too. This guy's gonna be really close. Not quite. Oh no, could try Marina, I guess.
I was thinking that too.
Yeah.
Might be worth the gander.
Whenever you're ready. It's pretty windy over here. Oh, night bite might be pretty good though. There's a fish. Something. Oh no, a little swim bait. Oh, smallie or a white bass? Could be a smallie. Oh, it's a pretty big white bass, dude. Yeah. Hey, hey. Getting right in between my feet. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, he's barely hooked. Hey, here we go. Chunky white bass.
That's what we're after?
We're after anything.
Naval, what are you doing over there?
Got a new boat.
It's gonna fall in the water.
Dang. Where's all these guys?
Oh.
We were just talking about going to the marina too. Hey Mabel, tasting the fish. Huh? Come on.
Is that the first one on the stringer?
No, I got a crappie.
Oh.
Pretty big white bass. Oh, my foot got stuck. All right. Yeah, I was fighting hard. Hopefully he's got friends. Dang, it's getting like windier.
Yeah.
Oh, missed one?
Yeah.
Dang. On the fall.
You didn't bring your boat.
I'm surprised I can even feel bites with how much bow there is in my line. Ooh. Little guy, little guy, little guy. Yep, little crap. A little too small.
Man, these chip.
True, true, true.
Could be worse.
Yeah, could be worse. Could be skunking. I'll scare all the fish this way. Word. There's one. Hey, this guy, probably not.
Probably.
Gonna be really close. Nah. If I gotta question it.
Yeah.
Here we go, another white crappie. Too bad they're all like just a little short. Man, they're lucky. Back home, they'd be getting cut up,
Word.
turned into kitties. another shorty. Oh, didn't know how to fish on. Hey, this guy looks like a keeper. Hey, dang, pretty nice one. Oh, barely hooked. Barely hooked. Hey, that one's pretty nice, dude.
That's a pretty good one.
Surprise.
Like wide.
For real.
Like thick, you know?
Surprise fish. Didn't even know he was there. All right. Picking up a few fish here and there. Yeah, I just had to look at my freaking line straighten out to know that fish was there, because I did not feel it bite. These guys are still dark. Can't believe it. Man, such a good cast. Am I gonna get a fish on this cast? Oh, come on, dude. I actually felt that guy. Oh, pulled my pants down. All right, we're gonna move spots. It's a little windy over here. Gonna try another shore spot. How's it looking over here?
Better over there, it seems like.
Yeah?
White bass boiling over here.
What? You're gonna take a peek on this side. All right, let's go down here. Ooh, pretty steep over here. Oh, there's carp. Bunch of carp. Dang, that's all carp down there. Holy. Man, try the windy side. It's even worse than the other spot. But there might be fish over here. You know what I'm saying? Maybe. There could be a bunch of fish pushed up right here though. Should be a bunch of bait over here, I'm guessing. Oh, come on! I don't know if those are bites or not. Come on, guy. Cool, dude. You're so cool. This guy. Water is hooked up ahead of this tiny little river. See what you got, Butters. Big drum, dude.
Is it?
Yep. See the freaking the purple sheen from all the way up here.
Oh my God.
Matfish, yes.
Oh.
Yes. Hey, biggest fish of the trip. Well, besides Chad's catfish. Oh yeah, purple nurple. Damn, big drum. Got a big drum. Yeah. Hey, good job, Butters. Good job. Let's see that thing.
Oh, come on.
Biggest fish of the trip.
Come on.
You know, while you're down there, I'm just gonna cast out.
There we go.
A purple nurple. Nice. It's like you're in the ocean.
Yeah.
Yes, steep. I mean, right here don't look steep, but then you see where it drops off. Over there is like just steep all the way down. Yeah. Oh, we go next to that tree. We're just going next to that tree. I know, man. It's been rough, dude. Dude, if we catch a striper, bro, that'd be sick.
If I catch a striper, I'm gonna go home. Or not home, but back to the campsite. I'm gonna just sit there and catfish the rest of the night.
All right, let's start catching some fish. I'm gonna start big. Yeah, I'm starting big. Ooh, there's a fish. There's a fish. Here we go. Here's a fish. Here's a fish. Here's a fish. Here we go, guys. I hooked up with something nice. I don't know what it is. Oh, it's digging though. Hopefully it's not a catfish. Hopefully it's not a catfish, but it's feeling like a catfish. Cuckoo, cuckoo! It is a big drum. Oh, dude. Dude. It is a big old drum. Oh, shoot. Damn, it's a big drum. With a big old drum. Holy cow. Damn, the big drum. Woo! Big old drum. Wow, look at this thing. It's so purple. Freaking purple nurple. Check that out, guys. Wow. That's an impressive drum. We'll let him go. That's a real fish, Butters. Real fish. Come on, striper.
Let's just catch a fish.
Yep. Oh, wow. Hey.
Man. Why you take so long? You waited for us.
Is that the first fish?
No, they got, yes.
Hey, they had a crappie over there too?
Yeah, they got like 3.
Damn.
Like 3 on the stringer, dude. You see it?
Saw 3 fish. I didn't know what they were.
Yeah, well,
She brought some sunglasses. Oh, what? First cast? You lucky bitch. Crappie?
you owe me a beer can.
Damn.
Me a beer can.
Hey, that's not a fluke.
On the Fluke.
Damn.
You got a measuring tape?
That's 10. Yeah.
Hey, remember that.
Yeah.
Half a beer on that one.
Lucky bitch. Yeah, first cast. The man, suicide ass fish.
I knew he was gonna say that.
Oh, that guy hooked up again.
Hey, dude, they're hitting over here. Huh?
Oh, look, he got one too. Damn, we seen like 6 fish since we got here. A suicide fish. Oh,
Nice.
might be a crappie, dude. Oh wait, no. Wait, I don't know. Oh, it is a crappie. Holy.
Fluke again, huh?
Yeah, on the big certified swimmer. Swim bait. Woo! Damn, nice crappie. All right, we're tied now, right, Gords?
No. We now we can do a new bet now. Now we're even, so we can do a new bet. But you owe me half.
Damn, can't believe it ate the swim bait. Look at this. Wow.
Is that far out or?
Not really. Damn, it's a long stringer.
I know, that's what I was like.
Good thing though, right?
Yeah.
Because it's all the way up here. A big ass stringer.
I know, man. Butters is like expecting us to catch limit each.
Wipe, come on. Striper.
Oh.
Oh, sorry fish. Maybe I'll just throw the crappie jigs.
Would do the same, I would think.
Maybe get more bites. Yeah. Water's pretty clear. They should be able to see it from far away. Suicide fish again.
Why gotta be suicide fish?
Yeah, gotta go back to swim bait or what?
I know, right?
Crappie jigs ain't doing shit. Going back to the swim bait.
I know, I probably should too. I went to small spinner. Watch, catch one right now.
Maybe. Catch a striper right now. Huh? Uh-oh. Those crappies are still dark, dude. It's like it's like they're still spawning. Oh, wait a minute.
Saved it.
Probably bent the hook out. Yep, bent the hook. Ooh, here's a better fish. Come on, be a real fish. Cuckoo! Oh, smallie. Yeah. Hey. Nice. You guys have a hard time seeing, but woo, nice. First smallie of the trip. I know they got some decent smallies here. Oh, we'll let this guy go. Nice. I was wondering when I was gonna hit a smallie. This clear water. There he goes. Yeah, he went off quick. Is that a bite? I don't know. That was a bite then. Right? Maybe it was a bite. Look at me swimming in my ability. Ooh, there's a fish. I didn't even feel him bite. Let's see what we got here. Cuckoo! Oh, crappie on the swim bait. There, nice crappie too. Woo, boy. Look at this. What a hoss. Look at this. Beauty crappie. Yeah, on the swim bait, yeah. Certified swimmer.
Well, that's a nice one.
Yeah, they're all pretty nice.
Well, they have to be right to keep.
Right, and to eat the swim bait. Caught a smallie.
Maybe we're on to something here. If
Yeah, these guys are still like kind of dark, like they're wrapping up spawning still.
how big are yours? 3 inches?
3.5.
Pretty big, man. For
Heck yeah. They don't even want to hit the crappie jigs. Maybe we didn't give the crappie jigs enough of a try. But I missed another light bite. It was probably a crappie. Oh, time for the fish to turn on now. The sun's going away. They'll be like, oh no, storm's coming. We gotta eat. Come on, striper. Oh yeah? Big drum, big drum. Man, why you make it look so big? Walleye? Lucky. I don't know, it's pretty big. It's like 20 or something. Actually, I have no idea. But it's pretty big though, the limit. Man, suicide fish again. Okay, let's sink for 12 seconds instead of 10. 2 whole seconds, so that's, well, I don't know, 2 feet deeper maybe? There's a fish. Feeling like a crappie. Wait, no. Wait. No, this cannot be a crappie. It's gonna be a big crappie if he is. What are you? Cuckoo, cuckoo! White bass. Ooh. Fish with stripes. White bass. I let that sink for 12 seconds.
What?
Yeah. I've been sinking it for 10 and I was like, all right, I'll try 12. 2 more seconds. So maybe 2 more feet deeper.
Get it on the drop?
Yeah, basically as it was dropping. But like further out though, this one anyway.
I got 2 8 ounces on it.
Yeah, I got 1/8. And let me show you guys what I'm using. So I'm using a white certified swimmer here, river certified swimmer. It's doing all right. Catching a little bit of everything. Kayaka, kayaka.
Nice fish with stripes.
Little white bass. Hey man, last move.
That's a great move, yeah.
Yeah. Dang, nice walleye.
Man, I know.
Oh shoot. No, you're good. Ooh, maybe the cloudiness maybe turned them on.
Possible. But we caught those too when it was sunny though.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna go back to 10 seconds, guys, because I have not gotten any more bites since that white bass. Well, we'll try a different color then. We'll try a more outlandish color. Oh, that is a bit more outlandish. There's a fish. Ooh, that was on the freaking, I let that thing sink way down. Dude, I just ticked you off, dude? This guy is not even that big. He's not even a 10-incher, I don't think. But he hit the new color, switched up the color. Pow, caught a fish. Hey, look at that. All right. That's it for this spot. Probably just gonna go back to camp, eat, maybe fish later, maybe. Hello. Give you guys a little update. This is the current situation. We're staying an extra day, and it's a little rough out there. Not sure if I can zoom this out. Oh, I can't zoom this out. Oh, here we go. Yeah, we just hunkered down in our tent. It is windy. It is rainy. Hopefully it doesn't get much more windy than this, because I don't know if my tent will hold up. I have to make a scramble for the truck. But it's supposed to rain for like another hour or so. And we got lines casted out, which is probably a big mistake. Anyways, that's our update. This trip's been kind of rough. It's been raining, windy. Well, it's been raining today, but the last couple of days, weather-wise, it wasn't terrible, just windy. The fishing has been awful. But yeah, not sure if this is gonna make a video or not. Huh? What happened? Alright guys, so I am back home in the dungeon. So we did get out of there safely. We ended up getting a motel that night because that storm when I was in my tent cleared out, and then a big storm was to our south, and then there was another storm to our north. Things were getting pretty windy, and Bo's tent was kind of falling apart. So we decided to get a motel that night, and it was a kind of sketchy looking motel from the outside, like a slasher murder movie type sketchy motel, but it ended up being pretty nice, and the guy there was pretty nice too. So don't judge a book by its cover. Anyways, back to the trip. The fishing was pretty rough. We didn't hit any of the species we were hoping to catch, but that's how these fishing trips go sometimes. You have certain expectations or certain ideas of what you want to target, but obviously it didn't turn out that way on this trip. I thought it was so bad that I wasn't even sure I was going to release a video, but I did catch quite a few crappies, some big crappies on big baits, so it wasn't a total waste. And I got to meet up with some old friends, met some new friends, ate a lot of good food, and drank maybe a little bit too much. But here I am back home, and I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna upload this stuff. Trips, you know, they're not always about catching all the big fish, and we definitely didn't catch a lot of things I wanted to catch. It's not what it's all about sometimes, and I just wanted to show you guys that it's about the people sometimes more than the fishing. So I just decided I'm gonna upload this stuff and let you guys check it out. That's the real honest truth about some of these trips I take. It's not always crazy fishing. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button.